Hey coders and tech enthusiasts! Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, a great book can take your skills to the next level. In this video, I'll share the top programming language books for 2025, ranked by the popularity of the language and the value these books bring to the table. And the best part? You can download all these books using the links in the description below. Let's get started. At the top of our list is Python. Python remains the most popular and versatile programming language. Whether you're building AI models, web applications, or automating tasks, Python is everywhere. Think Python by Alan B. Downey is the ultimate beginner-friendly guide. It teaches you how to think like a programmer while mastering the language. If you're new to coding, start here and download the book from the link below. Coming in at 2 is JavaScript, the backbone of the web. Whether you're creating interactive websites or working on full-stack apps, JavaScript is a must-know language. Speaking JavaScript by Dr. Axel Rauschmayer is the perfect guide for mastering both the basics and advanced concepts. This book is a must-read for anyone serious about web development. Download your copy from the link in the description. Rank 3. Java still ranks high in 2025, especially for enterprise applications, Android development, and backend systems. Think Java by Alan B. Downey and Chris Mayfield is a clear, beginner-friendly guide to understanding programming concepts through Java. It's a fantastic resource for students and professionals alike. Grab your copy now using the link below. Rank 4, C++, thanks to its power in game development, high-performance computing, and system programming. Effective Modern C++ by Scott Meyers is an essential guide for mastering modern C++ features like C++11 and C++14. With 42 actionable tips, it's perfect for experienced developers looking to refine their skills. Download it now from the link in the description. Rank 5. Rust is rapidly growing in popularity, especially in the fields of systems programming, security, and WebAssembly. If you want to dive deep into concurrency and memory safety, Rust Atomics and Locks by Mara Bos is the book for you. This one's for the pros who want to take their Rust skills to the next level. Get it now using the link below. Rank 6. R programming. Last but not least, for data scientists and statisticians, we have Efficient R Programming by Colin Gillespie and Robin Lovelace. This book focuses on writing faster, smarter, and more efficient R code. Perfect for anyone working with large data sets or statistical models. Don't forget to check the link below to download your copy. Bonus, AWS with C#, and here's a bonus for all cloud enthusiasts. Developing on AWS with C# by Noah Gift and James Charlesworth is a game-changing guide for building solutions on AWS. With cloud computing taking over, this is a must-read for developers who want to integrate C# with AWS platforms. Check out the link in the description to get your copy. So, there you have it. The best programming language books for 2025, ranked by the popularity of the language and their practical value. Whether you're diving into Python, mastering Rust, or conquering JavaScript, these books have you covered. Don't forget, download links are in the description below, so grab your favorite book today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your coding buddies, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which book you're excited to read, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding, keep growing.